This one is much longer. Oh, it's not so clean. It's not as clean as the one we had last time. Hey, it's crossing the whole building. We cannot exit from the street side.
No, I think here we can exit, but
it's locked. Wow. And no one is checking where we are. Oof. This one is really huge. Yeah, it's a bit scary. Okay. At least this one is open all the time. There's even a kitchen. There's even a phone. Yeah, it's a bit far from home. Some people are here. Wi-Fi. Yeah, of course. The alert is finished.
no, that is not finished.
It's not finished? Ah. So we can stay inside. Oof. Odessa, Venice Beach. It's old, it's rusty, it's been repaired I don't know how many times, but I like it. It's much more fun than those fancy clubs where people pay $100 a month, if not more. I don't know, because I'm never going to such things. But I like it. It has some kind of old rusty Soviet gym, which is actually in every park. Every park has a bit of gym equipment or sports equipment, which is some remains from the Soviet times when they were putting sport and health forward. So yeah, we cannot blame them for that. It's everywhere. Of course, there are more fancy places a bit further. The next park has less equipment but a lot of bars to do exercise. But I really like this one. It's in basically every city in Ukraine. And yeah, I remember going to one in Kiev, which was 10 times bigger than this. I got 100 kilos. If I'm trying to use it by myself here, I would suffocate under the bar and no one's here to help. So I will not risk myself. Anyway, I don't have such strength to be able to lift such things. That's cool. It's near the beach. I imagine that in a summer, this one should be a bit more fitting my skills. I know, 60, no. Anyway, yeah, so doing sports here, just a few hundred, what am I saying few hundred? A few meters from the beach. So you can do your exercise, you can go swim right away. I wouldn't risk myself to this ladder, it's a bit rusty. It's February, it's not that cold. I am alone today, but sometimes I see a lot of guys practicing here. There is a more fancy place a bit further. Let's see if I will have the courage to walk that far. And yeah, I will give it a try. I'm not a big sports person, so let's give it a try for 5 minutes to get my monthly exercise and feel cramped for the rest of the week.